Hello everybody, I wanted to make a quick little video to, I know some people are having trouble getting into the morning meetings with the codes, and to make it a little bit easier, what we did on the website was we made a place where you could just click to go to each group. So if you are on the home tab and scroll down, you'll see a place that says click here to go to the morning meeting. You just click on it, it'll come up and you'll be ready to go. You don't have to click anything else other than join now, and it'll be the same every morning. And then when you need to go to reading small group, same thing, you click there and you'll click join now. And math small group, same thing, you'll click there and join now. Now you still need to be logged in underneath a Garrard County school email address, but as long as you click on those, it will take you to the right place. So you don't have to put in the codes anymore, you can just click right there. If you go to the schedule tab for small group, we also have reading small group, the code's right there, not the code, but the link is right there, and the math is right there. So as long as you can get to the website, you can find our links, and that way it'll be a little bit easier. You all don't have to type in all the codes, you can just click on it and you're good to go. Alright, thank you all. Bye.